Well, this video is for you and anybody else who's placed an order the past week. Thank you very much. Your stuff is going out in the mail. There's a lot of them. So this is going to be a 3-minute video of me just putting all these in the mailbox. If you haven't seen, I make coins into rings. I also make tiny little cowboy hats. That's what most of these are. I had a video get pretty popular about them. You can tap this comment to see it. It's pretty cool. And I mean, guys, you guys kept me so busy making these things. I'm worn out. But I got them in the mail. They are on the way. Don't you worry. I hope you like them. And if you haven't followed me yet, go ahead and give me a follow. If you have followed me, thanks for following. I appreciate it. It's kind of hard to grow on TikTok. So I appreciate everybody following, ordering, visiting the website, liking the video. Lots of good comments on it too. I mean, people saying stuff's illegal, people saying stuff about the song, people saying stuff about the coins getting made into cowboy hats. It's all good all the way around. Lots of good stuff. Go check it out. Tap this comment up here. See the original video I'm talking about that made me come to this mailbox and stuff all these in here. I feel bad for the mailman who has to pick these up, scan them. It's going to take them a minute. You guys really overdid yourselves. And if you haven't checked out the website yet, it's coinringmaker.com. I'm Coinringmaker, and shoot, we still got, there's more. Alright, here's the last one. Y'all have a great day.